Boom. Yo guys, so thanks for checking out my blog post, top Thai phrases to know that you must know when you visit Thailand. So first of all, if you don't speak any Thai, you don't know anything when you come to Thailand, your trip is gonna suck. You're gonna have the worst time ever. Just kidding. When you come to Thailand, you don't really need to know any Thai at all. You can go through your daily life. Hello, how are you? May I have one cafe Americano, please? Yes, thank you. Pardon me, good day, yes. I've lived in Thailand for 2 years total now. I've never taken a Thai lesson. For me, I like to speak a little Thai on a daily basis just because I'm interested in languages. I like languages. But you totally don't need to speak Thai at all. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to speak one peep of Thai if it's not your style. Personally, for me, I like to just because it makes me feel exotic. It makes me feel like I'm actually a part of living in another country. So that's why I like to speak a little bit of Thai daily. So I made a list of the top things that maybe you should know first and the things that I wish that I knew sooner. So here's my list, check it out. First of all, obviously, hello is SAWA-DEE-KAP. SAWA-DEE-KAP. So, number one thing to know is if you're a boy, you say kap at the end of stuff. If you're a girl, you say ka, okay? And also, this prayer symbol, this is a hello. It's a hello and also a thank you. It's just a kind of a greeting. But little bonus tip, not this, right here. It's good. Quicker way to say SAWA-DEE-KAP is sweaty. So I'll walk into a place, sweaty cup. So like a sweaty cup. So you're drinking some iced coffee. It's hot outside. It's sweating. It's got water on the outside. Sweaty cup. That means hello. Second main thing is thank you. How do you say thank you? KHOB-KHUN-KUP. KHOB-KHUN-KUP. Or if you're a girl, KHOB-KHUN-KAA. Quicker way to say that, KHOB-KHUN-KUP. 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 It takes practice. I've heard the worst. Okay, so, but don't be afraid. All Thai people, they've heard it say worse than you have just said it, but KHOB-KHUN-KUP, KHOB-KHUN-KUP, KHOB-KHUN-KUP. And even shorter, casual, kabob. You'll hear people say kabob, kabob, kabob. And what I typically say is I actually say thank you very much, which is KHOB-KHUN-KUP, KHOB-KHUN-KUP. Thank you, KHOB-KHUN-KUP. And feel free to mix it in with English. You can say thank you, Kap. Like very beginner level. You don't have to know any Thai. Just say Ka if you're a girl after you say something like thank you, Ka. Hello, Ka. Thank you, Kap. Thank you, Kap. That's a great way to feel like you're speaking Thai, but it's English Thai. First actual word to know is how much. TAO-RAI, TAO-RAI, TAO-RAI Kap, TAO-RAI Ka. If you're a girl, TAO-RAI Kap. So that way you can point something if you're like buying something. I need TAO-RAI Kap. Ani is like this. I need TAO-RAI Kap. Great to know, because then they're like, oh, okay, this guy's not a newbie. Okay, I'll bargain a little better with him. Yes and no. Yes, chai. Yes, chai. No is my chai. My chai. Chai cup. Would you like this? They're like, yes, chai. Say yes, chai cup. Can, cannot, and have and cannot. So, die and me. Die and me. So die is can, me is have. Want to know if they have something? Let's say you want to know if they have spaghetti. Spaghetti, me, my cup. When you say my at the end of something, it makes it a question. So, spaghetti, me, my cup, or cafe is coffee. So, cafe, me, my cup. So, die is can, me is have. My die is cannot. My me don't have. Okay, me and die. Good things to know. Bonus, let's keep rolling for a few extra ones. Ow. Ow is want. So when you're ordering something, let's say you want to order pad thai, so you say ow pad thai cup, ow pad thai guy cup, pad thai chicken. And if you want to say my ow, like a tuk tuk, great thing to know is when a tuk tuk is like, hey, hello, 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 trying to give you a ride, say my ow cup, my ow cup. Ah shit, I forgot to film my pen line. My pen line cup, don't worry about it. Official phrase of Thailand is my pen line, which means no worries, never mind. Learn that one. My pen line cup. My pen line cup. forget it, my bad. You got the wrong coffee, you got the wrong food, my bad Cobb. No worries, it's like Hakuna Matata, my bad. Yo, thanks for watching that video. Don't forget to click subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, if you're the type of person that's looking into this whole extended travel life, digital nomad life, my whole thing is helping people make money online so they can travel. So click this playlist right here for some good resources. See ya!